Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Target and Whole Foods this morning. Y'all, the deals are just awesome over there. I got all of these items completely free and actually made $2 buying it all. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that here in just a second. But first, if you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss a deal. Okay, so let's start with the Target deals. So from these Core Bar Kids over, these are the items that I purchased at Target this morning. The first thing that you're going to want to do is download the Target Circle app if you do not have it already. That is the Target app that provides you with discounts as well as coupons. So earlier in the week, I mentioned on my Facebook page that there was an awesome coupon for $10 off any $30 beauty or personal care purchase, as well as some 50% off discounts on holiday gift sets. And those offers were actually stacking with each other, making for an awesome deal. However, this morning, I actually came up with an even better scenario for the $10 off when you spend $30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each item I purchased as part of that deal individually, and then I will put it together as a complete transaction. That way you see exactly how the deal worked out. Okay, so the first items that I grabbed were these Tresemme shampoo and conditioners. These are the big ones, the 28-ounce size. They are priced at $3.89 at my store. And I had $5 off 2 coupons from the December 6th Retail Me Not. So I bought 4 items at $3.89 each, which is a total of $15.56. But I used 2 of those $5 off coupons, so that took off a total of $10, making all 4 of these $5.56. Okay, again, that's before the 10 off 30, so just stay with me. The next items that I grabbed were these Love Beauty and Planet hand soaps. Okay, these are priced at $3.99 each. I bought 2 for a total of $7.98, and I had a $5 off any 2 Love Beauty and Planet product from the December 6th Retail Me Not. So I paid a total of $2.98 for both of those. I also grabbed this Colgate Swish mouthwash. This is priced at $4.99. There is a $2 off coupon in the Target Circle app, or you can use the $2 off coupon that was attached to the product. I used the one that was in the app, hoping that I could use this one at a later date. But there's also a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the total cost for this 99 cents. And the last item that I grabbed to get me to the $30 was this Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. This is the little one, the 3-ounce. This was priced at $1.89, but there is a $2 off coupon in the Target Circle app that is applying to this product. But when you check out, that coupon for me took off $1.27, making the final cost 62 cents. Okay, so I actually checked out with all of these items in one transaction by themselves. So let me tell you how it worked out. Okay, so I have 4 of these at $3.89 each, 2 of these at $3.99, this guy at $4.99, and then this lotion at $1.89. Okay, I scanned my Target Circle app. The $10 off the $30 beauty and personal care purchase came off. I had 2 of the $5 coupons for the Tresemme, 1 $5 coupon for the Love Beauty and Planet, the $2 digital for the Colgate, the $2 digital for the Jergens. I paid a total of $2.15, and I got $2 back from Ibotta for buying the mouthwash, making all of these items 15 cents total. So that was a fantastic deal on those items. Let me know if y'all have any questions on that. Of course, there are many different ways that you can do this scenario. There are so many beauty and personal care products that qualify for this offer. So how you choose to do it is completely up to you. I know there is a high value coupon for the Bic Soleil razors. I actually didn't have that coupon in my app. There was a $4 off coupon that some people were getting, and I believe those razors are priced at $4.99. So if you want to throw that into your scenario, that might be one for you to look out for. All right, another really easy freebie are on these veggie straws. These are found up by the registers. They are priced at 99 cents each, and Ibotta is giving $1 back with a limit of 3. So I grabbed 3 of these at 99 cents each. I got $3 back on Ibotta, making those a 3-cent moneymaker. Next up, and this is a swagbucks deal. If you do not have the swagbucks app yet, check out my referral link in the video description below. If you use my referral link, you will get some extra swagbucks back, as well as be able to start earning some awesome cash back. With swagbucks, I typically cash out to PayPal, and then that goes directly into my bank. But these Quaker Kids Organic bars, these are priced at $3.99. But with swagbucks, when you buy 2 right now, they're going to give you $10 back. So yes, you heard that correctly. $3.99 each times 2 is $7.98. Swagbucks is going to give you $10 back, making these a $2.02 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome price on those. The last thing that I grabbed were these Core Bar Kids. These are found in the refrigerated section near the produce. So these are priced at $4.99 each. There is a 25% off Target Circle offer, so you will pay $3.74, but Ibotta has a $2.50 rebate right now, making these just $1.24 for all 5 bars. And I thought that was a great price, and I love having these bars, something simple that we can take with us in the car. So hopefully they're good. We have not tried them yet. If you've tried them or your kiddo has tried them, let me know what they think. All right, so all of that was my Target purchase for this morning. Again, with this, it made it all a moneymaker, which was amazing. Let me know if y'all have any questions on those deals. All right. I think I've mentioned this before, but right next to my Target is a Whole Foods. So I popped over there to grab some of the freebies that are available on the Ibotta app. If you don't have the Ibotta app, you can use my referral code to grab the app. Again, you will get additional money back when you sign up with Ibotta, and you can start earning some awesome money back. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed with Whole Foods were these Siren protein bites. These were found with the protein bars. These are priced at $2.99 each. And when you buy 2, Ibotta will give you $2.99 back. But if you head over to the Siren Snacks website, they have a coupon for buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 at $2.99 each. That's $5.98. I used the buy one, get one free coupon. So I paid $2.99 at checkout, and I got $2.99 back from Ibotta, making both of these completely free. The next item that I grabbed, another freebie, are these S&W heirloom beans. They are priced at $1.99, and Ibotta is giving $1.99 back, making it completely free. Another awesome thing about the free after rebates with Ibotta is that they also count towards the bonuses. So right now I have a bonus that I'm working towards, and these freebies are getting me closer and closer to earning an additional $5 back. All right, another freebie is this Lara bar. They are priced at $1.39 and Ibotta's giving $1.39 back, making it completely free. Be careful, there are some Lara bars that are priced a little bit higher. Of course, you're only gonna get the $1.39 back on Ibotta, so if you want it to be free, make sure you're grabbing a bar that actually costs $1.39. Another bar, and these were all found in the same section, are these RX Layers bars. They are priced at $2.99 and Ibotta's giving $2.99 back, making it completely free. This core bar here, typically they are priced at $2.99 and Ibotta is giving $2.99 back, making it completely free. However, the lemon poppy seed probiotic core bar was actually marked on what they call last chance, which is essentially clearance. So I paid $1.69, but I got $2.99 back, making it $1.30 moneymaker. Another item that I happened to see when I was over in the yogurt aisle are these Brainiac Kids. There is an Ibotta offer right now for 50% back. And so I believe the offer was $2.99. Let me check. Yes, so no, $2 back on Ibotta. So it's supposed to be 50% off. So they're typically $4 each. Ibotta would give you $2 back. But again, this product was marked last chance at my store. So they were priced at $1.95 and Ibotta gave me back $2. There was a limit of 3. So I grabbed the 2 that they had, both at $1.95. I got $2 back for each of them, making it a 10-cent moneymaker. So that was a great deal on these little yogurts. All right, so that was everything. Again, completely ridiculously awesome deal for Target and Whole Foods. If you haven't had a chance to stop by my Facebook page, please check it out. It's facebook.com/savingwithchristina. I'm also posting deals daily on my Instagram page, which is Save with Christina. So you can find additional deals on both of those sites. Hope you guys are having a great start to your week and stay tuned for tomorrow's Walmart Wednesday video. Thanks, guys.